DetailXPerts started with a burning desire and a will to want to make people better and to make the world better. Hi, my name is Emmanuel Williams. I am the founder and CEO of DetailXPerts.
I'm Angela Williams. I'm the co-founder and president of DetailXPerts. DetailXPerts was the thought of a child.
The thought came from a little kid who was 8 years old, and we were sitting on a porch one day, and he eating his popsicle, and we were watching the cars go by, and he was like, "Dad, what's going to be our next entrepreneur venture?" And I said, "I'm not for sure. I'm going to have to think about it." And he said, "Well, what if we start cleaning cars with steam?" And that was a seed that penetrated my spirit, and I could not get that thought out of my mind. And so as an engineer for over 30 years, I dealt with engines and steam turbines and boilers and things of that nature. I started to experiment, and I said, wow, this could be something that can revolutionize the car washing industry. And so that was the beginning of DetailXPerts.
I would say probably one of the most exciting things about being in business today is being in business with my husband.
My wife is the backbone, to be honest with you, of DetailXPert. I mean, she's the one that keeps everybody in line. She's the one that keeps everybody on time.
We are so much alike, but we are so much different at the same time. And for that reason, we balance each other out, and I truly appreciate this.
So we make a good team, and we balance each other.
On one side, I would say that he is the starter, the visionary, and on the other side, I am the executor and the finisher. You need both to get a job done, and in that way, we marry well together. Cleaning of spaces and cleaning of vehicles is something that we all need. We do it in an eco-friendly way. So we want to provide products that are safe for the environment, safe for our kids and our pets, so biodegradable, so safe for Mother Earth, while at the same time saving water. And I'll have to add on top that having a delightful experience in the end.
You can live without money, but you can't live without water. DetailXPert is solving a lot of problems because we're dealing with our green technology. We're dealing with our green technology from the standpoint of we're creating new steamers that's battery operated. We're creating our generators, our solar panel. We're doing everything that we could to get away from the fossil fuel. And of course, the steam technology in that, we're able to save a lot of water by using steam technology. It's not about making a lot of money at this point in my life, but what it is about is who I have become as an entrepreneur and the type of person that I am to serve humanity on another whole level.